everybody, welcome back to Blackjack. We're here today working on our favorite tried and true chassis for drifting, a Nissan S14 240 SX that our buddy Nicky unfortunately got in a little side swiping at the track. I'm going to show you guys how easily we can make 4 pulls right here. We can actually make 6 if we wanted to. We're only going to make 4. We're going to pull out the damage we've got in here, this pushback underneath the roll cage. We've already got our clamps up. We've got some tabs welded to the car. This one's going to grab the inside. We got our safety cables here already set up. And now I'm going to show you just how quick you can set up 4 pulls to get this thing back on the track. First pull, we're going to take a 10-inch, add our extension tube onto it. Set up our first pull. We're always maintaining the same angle on both sides of our pull. Got our all 4 pumps set up down here on one air manifold, so we're going to have one air line running all of this. Can't have pressure on the pump though. There's 1. Number 2. We're going to have all of our pumps in order, so that way we'll know which one we need to apply pressure with. The 3 of these pulls are all from the same station. We've now got our 4 pulls. I'm going to tension them all. Now we've got them all tensioned. We'll finish putting our safety cables on. Now, we're ready to start pulling.